Building a deck or patio cover for yourself is a great way to save money, but is it the right decision for you? It can be surprising to find out how much of a cost difference it is to do it yourself on a project versus hiring a contractor. So what contributes to the cost differences, and why would it ever be worth it to hire a contractor for your project? You're paying, of course, for the cost of labor for the project, but there are other factors and value that you get from hiring a contractor. When choosing to do a project yourself, you need to keep a few things in mind: structural integrity, permitting and approvals, material selection, and proper installation. Making sure that your deck is structurally sound is crucial for the safety of you and your family, so make sure that you're up to date on proper building codes and practices before you begin. For decks that are elevated off the ground, or especially holding additional weight such as a hot tub, it's important to make sure that the project is designed and engineered for that intended use. Your city or local building office may require a permit for your project. It's important to find out whether or not this is the case before you get started, and to submit the proper paperwork in order for it to go through. If you hire a contractor to help you with the project, they will be able to handle this for you. Choosing the right combination of materials for your project can make a difference in the lifespan of your deck, so it's important to get it right. A reputable contractor will have in-depth knowledge on the materials required for your project and will be able to explain the differences between them and help you make the right selections. Once you've got the structural designs approved by your local building department and you have your materials selected, the last step is installation. The construction phase of your project can be exciting, but a lot of people underestimate how labor-intensive building a deck can be. Digging footings, lifting beams, and installing decking is extremely physical work, and it's a reason many people choose to hire a contractor. I've had many conversations with customers who have started off with a DIY project, but just ran out of steam before they got to the finish line. If any of the points in this video have made you second guess doing it yourself, I'd encourage you to have a conversation with a contractor about your project. If you have any questions about doing it yourself or hiring a contractor, leave a comment below or check out the Learning Center on our website.